Was and where. Was use I was. At third person singular, we use was. Let's see some example. Ram was. Ram was. Ram is third person singular. And the house was. The house is third person singular. And I was. The man was. Book was. Dog was. The pen was. The boy was. These are third person singular. Okay, that's why we use was. And here where. Where is used we were, we and you were. And third person plural we use were. And look here, they were. Dogs were. Look here, dog. It's singular. Dogs. It's plural. That's why we used were. Books were. Why? Because here book, only book, it's singular number. And books, it's plural. That's why we use were. Boys were. Why? The boy. Here third person singular. And boys. Boys were. Why? Because boys is third person plural. That's why we use were. And only we use third person plural. And here was third person singular and I was. Let's make some sentence. Let's practice English. Okay, the sun dash was where. Okay, the sun was. Okay, the tiger dash big. The tiger was. The dogs plural, so were, W-E-R-E. Okay, the books were, I dash happy. I was happy. Okay, the man, it's singular. Okay, the man was tall. The room, also it's singular. The room dash dark. The room dash dark was or were. Okay, the room was dark. Okay, the flower dash red was or were. Okay, the flower was. Okay, the man dash poor. The man was poor. We dash happy. Okay, we were happy. Okay, you dash rich. Okay, you were rich. Okay, the sky dash blue. The sky is. Okay, the horse dash white. The horse was. Okay, he was a teacher. Okay, the birds, it's in plural, so the birds were. Hello everyone, let's make negative sentence with was and were. Okay, we need to add just not. That's very easy. Okay, here see, I was not poor. Okay, let's try next one. Okay, the tiger dash big. Okay, was not or were not. Okay, the tiger was not. Okay, the book dash old. Was not or were not. Obviously was not. Okay, here next, he dash a singer. Was not or were not. Obviously he was not. Okay, next one is the flower dash red. It's singular. The flower was not. The flower was not. Okay, the sun dash red. The sun also singular. The sun was not. Okay. I write already this sentence. The room was not clean. Okay. Okay. The man dash fat. The man was not or were not. Obviously was not. Okay. Okay. Next is the roads dash broad. Was not or were not. Were not. Were not. Okay. Okay. Next one is the dogs. Here. Look. Dogs. It's plural. So we use were not. Okay. Were not. Okay. The rooms. Look. Plural. The rooms were not. Okay. The birds, plural number, so we just use were not. The birds were not beautiful. Okay, it's very easy. I hope you will understand, and thank you for watching. And if you want to learn English, and just practice yourself. Okay, thank you so much.